So today we are at, what's the park called? Barton Park or something. So we're just sitting at some place where people fish. And there are a bunch of boats. So, no one else is here. So, we thought it would be fun to make like a YouTube video about this. There's graffiti on that rock. So, first, oh wait. Yeah, I know where I'm going. Don't worry. So you might have noticed that there are a lot of little shelly stuff here. I'm going to get some. Yes, I got two. That's more than enough. That one's dead. Ow. Going back up. Some people are coming. Let's go to this house. Because I wanted this to be quiet. So, oh wait, can you hold this please? Thank you. So, I have collected two little shelly stuff. This one is much bigger than the other. And the inside looks like this. Yeah. Okay, so I'll take it from here. And there we go. So, oh wait. I have our little shell creatures. So, we're gonna throw them in the ocean. That one didn't like get into me. Ugh. Yeah, we missed that one. Landed. Oh no, I saw it. If only I did that like 5 seconds before. Anyway, so this is a nice place to visit, but you have to walk. Wait, I hear something. Like quite a long time to get here. Yeah, I can't film that part. There are other people there. So recently I just saw a fish jump out of the water. So we're trying to like catch it now. Like not actually like catch it, I mean catch it on camera. So if you hear any sounds, stay alert. We might actually see one. So my sister's playing with her snooty friends. I mean not snooty, just yeah, her friends at the park, and me and my dad are just hanging out here. I would rate this place 4 out of 5 to visit because it's really beautiful, but it's polluted. So there's just this kind of bird underwater. Yeah, we caught it. Yeah, I'm trying to zoom in. Right there. Just there. It went underwater. So I don't know what kind of bird that was. Like a heron. Oh yeah. It's right in front of us. Wait. See, where did it go? Oh, there. It's there. You see, these birds dive underwater to try and find food, which is not very smart because there aren't actually a lot of fish here. And they're probably just wasting their time. So, there are a bunch of boats that aren't moving, a bunch of cones that aren't moving, and a butterfly. Yeah, you couldn't see it because it was so itty bitty, like that small from the camera. In real life, probably this big. So yeah, I can't film where yeah, don't worry. So there's an exercise unit in what's the park called? Barton Park. There's a playground in Barton Park, and also this place in Barton Park. I'm just gonna call this place the fishing place. So people are still here. Hopefully they don't distract our video. So I haven't really made an introduction in my video yet. Like in my videos yet. I've uploaded a few videos. I made pizza, cake, a mess, and a lot of other things. So in my next video, I might actually do the introduction, like 4 videos late. So, I'm sorry, that's all to show you. So please like and subscribe if you honestly enjoyed this video. I hope you can visit Barton Park someday. Bye.